Alrighty, hey everyone, I am Harshal, I am the founder of Dreamland Studios, and today is gonna be an epic video. We are going at it. So we just for context we have laid out seven AI tools. These are one of the top tools that I have played around with recently, and I'm gonna be rating them into a tier list. I have drafted a PRD. So for the reference, I'll be using this tool by Greg Eisenberg. I am a big fan of the guy, and the tool is basically all these different kind of ideas of building software in the AI space. And I created an idea just for context. It's around literally replicating a similar platform, building idea browser of the day, things like that. And I have the PRD written for it. The PRD was made using VibeDocs, our own product. So it allows you to create end-to-end documentation for your idea. So I have created a PRD using my own tool. It's in beta, but I mean I have the PRD laid out. We have a full-blown detailed PRD. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be running this PRD through different AI tools. I have the AI integration, so we are going to be using uh, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and basis the output I'm going to be ranking all these tools that have come out recently. So what I'll do is I'll boom take the same input about it, and I'm going to be rating different tools how do they work. So I think I got logged out of it, which is weird. Yeah, boom, back to the product. So what I will do is I'll tell it React Plus statement, which is I guess is fine. um, Boom, given the PRD um, prepared by, let's remove actually that idea for yep, that works. So boom, prompt is given to first AI tool, and what I'll do is I think I'll play around with all these tools and just give in the same prompt parallelly and see all of the outputs, and give in a quick review. So my experience with Dualet has been good. It takes a while to make the code, and it starts running. It has a bit different UI, but overall I think it's a good experience for me. Then I have Mocha. I think my experience with Mocha has been one of the best experience so far. I created few initial versions of VibeDocs here only, and it has in fact, if I may show you, this was a UI that I completed purely using AI, so it was made using Mocha. So they are very like neat at creating a particular set of UI. And what I really like about their product is when I was creating this confidence chat, they have a inbuilt authentication. They have built-in database, so I don't have to go through multiple products trying to find the best tool. So boom, they have their own authentication. They have their own. So this was a confidence chat kind of app where basically you can chat, you can play around with things. So this is the users. I think it's loading. So I gave it a prompt. It literally built through the prompt, and it integrated authentication. So I don't have to go to Superbase and all these kind of stuff. It creates the whole product for me. I don't have to do through multiples. In the best case, like they have literal login by themselves. So I like the app product. What I'll do is I'll go to creating a new app, and boom, I'm going to be inputting the whole document as a markdown. Uh, the markdown. So I'll be saying the markdown file has full PRD. Uh, Build the MVP. Boom. So cool. Given it to Mocha. Now I will get to SoftGen. Now I have never played around with SoftGen, but I have heard a lot about it. So let's do Next.js. Actually, let's do full stack. I don't think all these features will matter. Let's say idea browser only. Create project. So project is getting created. So I'll put in the PRD here, and boom, give in to it. Next, V0. Now V0 has been used by me a lot, so I was playing around with all these templates, and they have a amazing library of public templates as well. What I'll do is I'll give it the whole PRD as well. It also takes a while to generate. It will think through everything. Next, Bolt, same thing, put in the idea. Lovable, boom, same thing, put in the idea. Orchids, I made a review of it, but I think this is on different features. Clone this website. I don't want to clone any website. Boom, put in the idea. And yeah, I mean that's all of the things that I was planning to use for this tool. So cool. Let me get through it. My rating will be based on specifically three things. Firstly, would be UI not breaking. I think taking UI from visible to something that can be good is a fair process. That is not something that is what I will really ranking things on is the code of quality. So firstly, it's gonna be let's try to break down my ranking system. Boom. Let's get it a bit bigger. So 128. I'll be using star. Yeah. So my first is gonna be code 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 quality. Second is similarly gonna be uh, backend integration. Third is gonna be authentic authentication flow. Let's see what else. User experience. So these are gonna be four criterias I will try to judge the products on, and like one thing I'll be like maybe response quality. So I might like talk to the product and all these things. So these are the five criteria I want to judge the product on, and that's how we are going to be going about all these tools, trying to play around with them. So alpha, I played around. I gave you a very basic gist, but they have some good connections as well. Connect, deploy, upgrade. Mocha, I think my personal experience has been so far the best. They have some really neat interactions and they allow publish as well. SoftGen, this is my literal first time starting with it. Uh, to proceed with the implementation, please switch to creative mode. I mean, I am at creative mode. I'm ready when you are. Yes, I am in creative mode. Okay, interesting. Creative mode. Get started, please. Yeah, I don't know what it is exactly asking me for, but yeah. Okay, I think it has generated documentation. Um, no, I want you to build a product. Like, I'm not sure what it has exactly done. So, yeah, finally it has started. I think it went through the planning phase, which I like. They have created the flow of it as well, how the database schema will look, how the API specs will look, and getting started on it. I mean, I think Bolt has you are out of token. Okay, I might have run out of usage. So let me switch to maybe another account. Cool. So I'm logged in again from a different account this time. So I boom put in the PID again. Uh, it has started to work through all of this, and I think it will take time. Next, okay. So Lovable has worked through it. I'm not sure what have they done here if they wanted to make a backend UI and have some gradient. But like okay, this I'm not a fan of at all. I don't like the UI here that has been presented. But let's see these. They have all these PIDs and all this thing, um, and they have a ID input. So on the UI side, I think I like it. I don't think they have made multiple paths. Okay, mobile responsiveness check. Yeah, this is breaking. So I am not happy with this. The UI, I guess I can just replace the backend image, so not really going at it about that. But do they have multiple? No, they don't. They have not created multiple paths, which I don't think. Like if I'm creating a detailed enough PRD, uh, this should have some kind of thing, and I don't think this will even work. AI tools for remote teams. Let's say AI tools for remote teams. Generate idea. So no, I think no interaction. Um, Basis this experience, I'll get to it. I think interesting. So Orchids has started running through it. It has created a multiple components. I like the UI. I let me try to sign out. Can I sign out? How many paths do they have? Code, SRC app. Okay, they have a single path as of now. So neat UI. I like it. They have a pretty neat workflow. Score low to high. Can I interact with it? I don't think I can interact. These are just dummy filters. Can I at least run this game if I... Okay, the filters are not also working. The search is not working. I'm not happy with that. If I click view details, does it take me any... Okay, this is good. If I click view detail, it has a breakdown. Can I drop in a dummy comment? Yo, this is sick. Post comment. No, post comment also does not work. Not happy with this part. But yeah, let's get back to it. The development is updating. We'll be able to see preview. I guess this will take some time. Mocha is again working. Okay, it is asking for OpenAI. So what I'll do is, I think I'll tell it to cancel, and I'll tell it, okay, I'm using Claude. So what I'll do is, I'll take this information. Okay, let's, I guess it will work through the basic workflow, and then it will get... Coming to SoftGen, it has given me a task breakdown overall. View action completed, view action 1 task failed. Good thing it worked through all the changes. It did not ask me for like multiple things. Path is 404, which is the normal path / works. IdeaForge, yeah, I like it actually better than Lovable in terms of clarity. I think Lovable, at least, like, this is fine, but this is neat. But if you see, there's a lot of happening. Like, I can't focus where I want my user experience and eyes to go. I can click view details, and that also does not work. SoftGen, I mean, this is nice. I can click explore idea. Error again. So not happy with that. Fairly neat idea. I think explore ideas. So nothing really works here. I think sign in also does not work. Get started also does not work. So for first prompt, fairly neater product. Let's see what Bolt has done. I think it's still creating those files. Lovable we have already reviewed. Orchids, like the UI. So let's try to prompt these tools to make cool. Now make the sub pages that should be present. I'll give the same prompt to Lovable and Bolt as well. Limited context. I'll try to whiteboard it. I can give in a good prompt, but let's see how far they can get with this. So cool. Okay, it has blown through a lot of tokens within a single prompt. Perfect. Now I'll create the essential subpages. So it has started working on explore. I mean, Bolt is just running. Orchid has started. Lovable has also, I guess, started. SoftGen is running. Alpha is also running. Mocha is also taking time. So let me just run these products and get back to you in a minute. I literally just hit pause, and at the same time these page generation were completed. This single PRD used all of the tokens, but you can literally see with this PRD, I think they have created multiple pages. If I can show you here, they have page of home page, they have explore page, and that is like the quality of documentation that you can generate with Vibe Docs. So boom, IdeaForge UI not the best, I would say. Let me... Okay, V0 is also done. So idea, let me open it in a new tab for better preview. Boom. So they have this. What else did they create? Home explore page. So I guess, let me see the explore page. So explore page is there. They have all the explores, which is fine, I think, and fairly neat UI, not complex, not anything else. Explore page, then the idea title page, generate page is also there, which is neat. I like the UI. There is at least buttons work, and generate startup idea. So they have sign in and sign up, at least the dummy one. Let me try a sign in. Let me give a dummy info. Signing in, please wait. Boom, signed in, which is like a very good user experience for me. I like it that they have given this kind of thing. Generate startup idea, generating your idea. I'm most probably assuming they'll do some mock-up And yeah, I think this is pretty good. Like from the PRD, they have AI generate sustainability tool. So like the overall experience, I think Bolt was really able to grasp the idea. My library, you have all the library, explore ideas is there. So very good experience with this. Coming to V0, complete the steps in the chat to ensure the product works completely. Okay, what do you want me to do? Install Superbase, create. Let me just run through all these steps quickly. Okay, so I think connecting with Versal requires a pro plan. V0 requires a pro plan. I am not on pro plan. I wanted to test the limits of free tier mostly here. So no, I think I'm not gonna be doing that. What I'll tell is, hey, just do UI. I am not gonna connect with Superbase. So just do the UI, yeah. I don't want to go through the whole integration. Upgrade your plan, yeah. Why would I? So I think it's working through it, but on the positive side, Dualite is still generating. It's the development server is starting up, so let's see. But yeah, Mocha is done, which was neat. So let's see. I think it will most probably require the API key. So let me actually, rather than going through it, um, for the AI side of things, integrate the following. So I've given it the API keys. I think I'll hide my message. Technically, you can read it. I mean, by pausing it. But let's see. On the database side, that's what I like. So one thing I really like is they have inbuilt AI database integration. So boom, you have ideas, you have, and oh, this is pretty neat by the way. Code Mentor AI. So all of the documents that are being presented on the front end, they are coming from this, which is amazing. So user ideas, user upvotes, user ideas, that is there. So coming back to the preview, they have a very neat animation in my previous product as well that I generated using them. This or there. So get started. I think you need UI. Let me try AI productivity tools for remote team. Get started working on it. I think it will require sign in. So oh, it's actually running through this. I'll integrate the API keys. So once it's done with it, let's get back to this. But other than this, I think SoftGen has completed. So it created essential sub pieces. So it has created explore, generate, library, idea, and code analysis, which is nice. I think so. Let's see explore. Okay, this is pretty neat by the way. These are pretty good. If I go to generate, I'm not sure they have any AI integration. Bro, every tool is giving AI tools for remote team. I'm not, which is interesting. So generate idea, AI powered team productivity assistant, market time. So this I think is very similar to Bolt. Bolt gave AI analysis, AI for remote teams. So that was there. Where was the open one? Yeah, my library generate. So AI tools for remote teams. Generate your idea. So this runs. So it has generated score, market time, etc. And SoftGen has also done something similar: market time, monetization, next step, something, and scoring as well. So pretty similar. I'm not sure how they have landed in the same flow. Other than that, Lovable has completed generating sub routes. So let's see. Explore is there. If we go to explore, it will. It has all the exploration. I mean, this was visible on the base UI as well. So don't really see a lot of filters here. Does filters work? Okay, filters don't work. Does it affect anything? It does not affect anything. Generate is finally live. If I click again, AI tool for remote teams is here, and it doesn't auto pick up AI tools for remote teams. Generate idea, nah, doesn't work. So trending, trending. It takes a while to load again. Okay, this is I think very similar to the base idea, and about page was created. So about pages there, this is pretty standardized. So I think coming to Orchids, Orchids really leveled up. They have created explore, sub idea pages, generate library dashboard, admin, login, register with authentication, which is neat. So boom, coming back to the home page, let's see all the pages. Slash explore. Explore startup ideas coming soon. I was expecting something else. Library was, I think, already there. Authentication required. Please log into your library. So they have set up a base for it, but not actually set up. Let's actually try to go through each of these paths. Generate interactive prompt will be integrated here. So they have just left it like that. Can I see dashboard? I am assuming they would have also left it like that only. Dashboard coming soon. So they literally, I think, have created all these pages which are on paper created, but they are just coming soon. At least setting is there, so you can work around with settings. um, Login and register is there, so let's see even those pages being well present here. Login fame placeholder again. Register, this is again a placeholder, so not happy. But v0 is done. I think version 2 it is done with the flow. Idea force, neat UI, something pretty standard. What all pages do they have? Let me see directly to the code. SRC app. So app has admin, auth, explore, generate, ideas, library. So admin, let's see admin slash admin. Runtime error, super base is required. Fair, explore slash explore, at least explore should work. Okay, neat UI, star rating, comments, bookmarks. Can I see details? Okay, I can see details. Opportunity score is also there. Market analysis, pretty neat. Can I actually comment, hey, this is sick? So they have like a disabling button, post comment, posting, comment is added. Nice, like it, with animation as well. What else do they have? Ideas and generate. So let's see generate. I swear to God, if they have the okay AI tools for remote team, bro. How does every tool have AI tools for generate, AI tools for remote teams? If I generate, it will most probably mock the consumer experience. Again, scores, market analysis, business model, monetization, and everything is there. What else? Library slash library, bookmarks, AI generated to AI to okay. So this is neat as well. So let me now go through all of these tools. Getting back to Mocha, so they have integrated this. How many pages do they have? I would like to know that as well. So SRC, React app, pages. Okay, multiple pages have been added. So let's see. One thing I really have always enjoyed is sign in. I think you can see it here. So boom, selecting a mail, signed in. So I don't have to go through the hassle of setting up multiple email. And see, I selected Dreamlaunch so that I already have my experience. If I sign out, that works as well. Coming back here, therapy chat. If I click on idea, actually let me make it a bit bigger. How do yeah, I close this. Therapy chat, AI generated, like the UI. I think it is pretty neat. Share your comments. If I say yo, this is amazing idea. Post. So they have the user ID and everything. Like it. So what I'll do now is I'll tell it ki, hey, this is nice. Now add in 4-5 more features to it to just really test it. So, but other than that, I think I have my mental rating sorted. Dua Lite is still taking time. It's still starting to run up the server. So I don't know what exactly is up. I guess that's what I can prompt at this point. Yeah, but other than this, I think we have some idea. I am not sure how to rank Dualite. Uh, so Mocha, Softgen, this was from Bolt, V0, Lovable, adding sub pages, orchids, tier list. Right. So let's try to break it down in best way possible. Code quality. I haven't gotten to it. Backend integration, authentication. Just from the UI experience, I would say, if I go to slash, let's say this is a neat UI. So I'll be not having these sections, but most probably for AI generation, I would put it as C. Lovable's UI, I like it, but I don't know what it did to the home section. So if I open it up, yeah, this whole thing, whatever happened here, I don't know, they were trying to add image or something, but just because of that, I'll put it back into C. Bolt, I really liked it. I think they did not have like a super duper UI, but they had like the thing sorted, the sign in and everything was working as well. So from a UI experience, boom, putting it actually in a A tier in my experience. Softgen, um, let me recheck the landing page actually. Neat UI, I think. I'll put it along alongside Bolt, at least for the UI side on V0. What happened to V0? Um, the UI is fine, but not like good. They have very limited color palette, which comes from. So I will actually put it as C, and Orchids to be in the B tier. That is there. Dualite, I am not sure what exactly are they working through. The project has been set up. The core pages are there. Run server. Yeah. Let's see what have they done. Syntax error. I think I will be dividing Dualite from the list. Mocha, on the UI level, I like this to be personally the best. It might not have the craziest UI, but my experience from its product interface was also good. So I'll be putting this in S tier. I think Mocha for me wins the race as of now. Response quality I think was good. So now I think most of the decision making will be dependent on the code quality. Just trying to check how have they formatted the code. So let's see, components are neat. Pages. Yeah, I don't like. No, this is fine. This is fine. Bolt code quality. Components pages. I I mean this is nice. This is neat. Um, for Mocha, let me check the code quality. Very roughly again. React app main.ts6 app.ts6. Okay, this is neat. I like it. They have wrapped everything inside their auth provider. So neat, pretty good. I am a sucker for it. Pages have been organized. So they have all the pages, analytics. Oh, they have the analytics page as well. Auth callback, compare, explore, generate, home, details, profile, trending. Yeah, I think this is one of the neatest UI. I would add this added kind of integration. Idea Forge, Orchids. I think Idea Forge for this. Let me check the code actually. Here, how do I check the code? Escape. Can I switch to code? But let's just see this single file. About feature, return, hero section, start section, feature section. I mean, code quality is fine, but I'm not happy with the UI at all. Or for Orchids code, my previous experience wasn't good, so I'll be honest about it. I hope they haven't filled in. Yeah, this is what I don't like about them. This whole thing that they have all these blocks present, for me it throws them down to D tier, uh, because there's a lot of dead code present. Lovable is fine, visual is fine. What else? Responsive quality. Let's see what Mocha does with my new info. Great idea. I'll add in 5 more features. So what have I added? Analytics dashboard. They have added detailed metrics. They have added comparison tool, trending, enhance user profile, export to PDF, which is neat. Let me see through it. Let it generate the code, and then I'll get back. Cool. So I think it is done with all these feature integrations. They have added 5 more features, which is neat. UI is pretty same. Let's see what all things I have. I am logged in. Okay, so analytics, interesting. So on the analytics side, neat UI. What are the ideas for categories? This is something I am a sucker for, having graphs and pie charts, and with like real time showing data and everything, which is amazing. Library was already there. Generate ideas. I have already given it a AI tool. So let's see. AI homework planner to help college kids plan homework in their vacations. Generate startup idea. It is generating. Let's see how does the output really come out. Oh, I messed up the spelling. So it is done generation. Vacation task, gave the name. Opportunity score, nice. Complexity, hard. Model will be freemium. Detailed description, how does it work? Market analysis, generate key competitors. I finally like one of the tools. They have actually done. Obviously, like I have given it AI integration. This button is popping out, but I think it can be handled well. Can I like this idea? Okay, I can like ideas as well. So generate is there, trending is there. Okay, trending is there. This was not something that I saw in any other tool. The weekly by category. Compare is there, add ideas, search for ideas to compare. So I can drop in ideas, which is neat. Amazing. So I think I have the gist of everything. I think I'll be sticking to this breakdown only. I think uh, bold comes in B. Actually, I'll feel bad if I just skip B tier. But orchids, yeah, orchids. My only thing would be like I like what you created. Just that like it has all those blocks that are not needed. Just a lot of dead code. It's not a good policy for me. V0, it created good UI. All the pages were working but we were stuck because of Supabase integration, so that's what it puts me. Lovable, it created UI and everything, but I mean this throws me off a lot in all ways. Plus like I'm not able to select any button and click on it and get it running. It puts in the CTF for me. Bold, amazing experience. I was honestly surprised with it. They have so much things. In fact, they have like a basic sign in, probably some mock JSON or anything running, because I just could like put an email. So that is their softgen. I think I liked it what they created. Code quality overall seems nice. That is there. Actually, I'll update it. So I'll put this in B tier. Um, and finally, Mocha. I think from my experience, Mocha has been the best. It might not like create UI quality, but my review of their code behind the scenes as well was one of the best code that was written throughout this whole journey. So yeah, that's it. That's the overall review I have for the product. I really like Mocha to be one of the best tools out there, and that's the whole. Thank you for staying to the video. If you are an avid watcher, you can try out these tools. I will drop the uh, rankings in the same order into the whole tweet thread, and you can check them out, play around with it, and that's it for the video.